Hi, grade 5. So today we started a new lesson in the Language Arts textbook in Unit 6 called Object Pronouns in Prepositional Phrases. Now remember what a prepositional phrase, is. A prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with what? With the object of a preposition. Okay? In this lesson today, we're going to be looking at prepositional phrases that have object pronouns. So an object pronoun is a pronoun, again, that follows the preposition in the sentence. Some of these, or the object pronouns that are used are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. So all of these can be used as objects in prepositional phrases. And they take the place of a noun. So instead of saying here, like in this example, my friends planned a surprise party for Sally, we can change Sally to her. My friends planned a surprise party for her. So here our prepositional phrase is for her, and her is the object pronoun. All right, it is the object of the prepositional phrase. Here it also notes that some sentences have compound objects, and in order to know if we have used the pronouns correctly in a compound object, you should leave out the other object in the compound and check the pronoun alone. So what are we checking for here? We're checking to make sure that the pronouns used are object pronouns and not subject pronouns. Okay, so here my brother will ride with me. This is correct, but if it was with my mother and I, for example, this would be incorrect. Right? It should be my mother and me. Okay, so again, if you are confused about a pronoun and you want to make sure that this is used correctly, you can remove the other object in the compound. In this case, you could remove my mother and look at me alone. Is this an object pronoun? Does this sound correct? Yes, my brother will ride with me. This is correct. So we know that this is written correctly. This is an object pronoun. Okay, let's look at some of these examples together. We did these exercises in class. Name the prepositional phrase in each sentence, then name the object pronoun in the prepositional phrase. So here in let's look at the example first. The invitations were sent to them. The prepositional phrase here is to them, right? It begins with the preposition to, and them is the object of the preposition. This is an object pronoun. So the object pronoun here is them. Number 1, Kimberly made a coconut birthday cake for us. For us is the prepositional phrase. For is the preposition. Us is the object pronoun. It's the object of the preposition. Number 2, she has the best recipe for it. For it is the prepositional phrase, begins with the preposition for, and it is the object pronoun. Number 3, Marla gave lemonade to Sally and me. To Sally and me, this is the prepositional phrase. To is the preposition, Sally and me. So here we have a compound object. So Sally and me. Number 4, Glenn will sing a birthday song to you. To you is the prepositional phrase, begins with the preposition to, and you is the object pronoun. Number 5, the birthday candles will be lit by him. By is the preposition, and him is the object pronoun, so this is the prepositional phrase, by him. Let's look at some more examples. Again, you're going to identify the prepositional phrase and the object pronoun. Number 6, the party will start tomorrow for us. For us, this is the prepositional phrase. It begins with the preposition for, and us is the object pronoun. Number 7, my friends prepared food with my mother and you. So with my mother and you, all of this is the prepositional phrase, begins with the preposition with, and again, here we have a compound object, my mother and you is the object pronoun in this sentence. Number 8, the room will be decorated by him. By him is the prepositional phrase, begins with the preposition by, him is the object pronoun. Number 9, Dad will collect gifts from them. From them is the prepositional phrase that begins with the preposition from, and them is the object pronoun. Number 10, they will be given to her and me. Again, here we have a compound object. To, her, and me. This is the prepositional phrase, begins with the preposition to, and we're going to underline twice her and me because these are the object pronouns. In part B, we're going to write the sentence, choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentence. Number 11, mother gave the flowers to Amy and she or her. So how do we know which pronoun should be used here? We know this lesson, of course, is about object pronouns, but also looking at the sentence, here we must use an object pronoun. We can never use a subject pronoun here in the sentence, right? So what are the object pronouns? Let's look at them again. So we have me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Okay, anything else is incorrect in this case because we need an object pronoun in this sentence. So here, mother gave the flowers to Amy and her. Number 12, the delivery person placed the balloons beside he or him. Here, we're going to underline him because him is an object pronoun. He is a subject pronoun. Number 13, Lloyd arranged the table for us or we. The correct answer is us because this is an object pronoun, but we is a subject pronoun. Number 14, Yoji patiently held the streamers for they or them. The correct answer is them because this is the object pronoun. They is a subject pronoun. Number 15, Dad mixed the salsa with Kimberly and I, or Kimberly and you. In this case, you is the object pronoun, I is a subject pronoun, so it cannot be used. If we had the choice me, for example, instead of I, then it would be correct. But in this case, we must choose you because you is the only object pronoun that we have.